External clip ultrasonic flowmeter wiring video. Step 1. Wiring. Red line upstream sensor. Blue line downstream sensor. Connect the red, black and shield of the upstream sensor to up 1, up 2 and up 3 on the host respectively. Connect the red, black and shield of the downstream sensor with DN1, DN2 and DN3 on the host respectively. White line is the power supply line. Connect to L and N terminals of the host respectively. The power supply shall be DC 10 to 36V or AC 90 to 245V. Step 2. Power on after checking. Step 3. Enter the outside diameter of the pipe. Press the menu key plus the number 11, enter the pipe outer diameter of 108 mm and then press Enter to confirm. Step 4. Input pipe thickness. Press the menu key plus the number 12, input the pipe thickness of 4 mm and press Enter to confirm. Step 5. Select pipe material. Press the menu key plus the number 14 and press the Enter key to enter the pipe type. Press the up and down keys to select the corresponding pipe. The test pipe is carbon steel, which is confirmed by Enter. Step 6. Select pipe lining. Press the menu key plus the number 16 and press the Enter key to enter the pipe lining type. Press the up and down keys to select the corresponding pipe lining. The test pipe lining is unlined, which is confirmed by Enter. Step 7. Select fluid type. Press the menu key plus the number 20 and press the Enter key to enter the fluid type. Press the up and down keys to select the fluid type. The default is water. Press Enter to confirm. Step 8. Select sensor installation method. Press the menu key plus the number 24 and press the Enter key to enter. Press the up and down keys to select the sensor installation mode. This experiment is AV type installation, which is confirmed by Enter. Step 9. Sensor installation spacing. Press the menu key plus the number 25 to automatically give the sensor spacing through the pipe diameter and wall thickness instrument, and install the flow sensor according to the measured distance. Step 10. Select a straight pipe segment long enough. Generally, the first 10D and the last 5D. D is the pipe diameter, the straight test pipe. The diameter is DN100. The straight pipe section in front of the surface is 1 meter, and the straight pipe section behind the surface is 0.5 meter. Step 11. Fixed point V-type installation. Find a horizontal position with a laser level. Step 12. Derusting. Polish the part where the sensor is installed. Grind a distance greater than 3 times that of the sensor. Step 13. Apply coolant. Evenly apply the coupling agent to the sensor surface. Step 14. Sensor installation. Install the upstream sensor and downstream sensor on the pipeline respectively. After installation, tighten with pipe ties respectively. Attention, the installation spacing of the sensor is from top to top, and tighten the pipe tie. Step 15. After installation, check whether the probe is firmly installed. Step 16. Set power on default parameters. After all parameters are confirmed to be correct, press the menu key and add the number 26. Set the parameter as the default parameter and press Enter to confirm. Step 17. View signal strength. Press the menu key plus the number 90 to check the signal strength, which is represented by a number of 0.00 to 99.9. 0.0 indicates no signal is received, and 99.9 indicates the maximum signal. Under normal working conditions, the signal strength shall be is more than or equal to 60.0. The signal quality queue is represented by numbers 00 to 99. 00 represents the worst and 99 represents the best. Under normal operating conditions, the signal quality is greater than 50. Step 18. View transfer time ratio. Press the menu key plus the number 91 to enter the time transmission ratio interface. Displays the percentage ratio of the calculated transmission time under actual conditions to the actually measured transmission time. Under normal conditions, the value is 100 plus or minus 3%. If there is little difference, just fine-tune one of the probes horizontally to view the host time transmission ratio data. If the difference is too large, the user should check whether the input parameters are correct. Is the sensor installed on the same horizontal line? Step 19. Set 0. Press the menu key plus the number 42, press Enter, and after the second reading, the 0 setting is successful. View operation complete installation.